Your Shopify theme controls the entire look and feel of your store, so it is critical that you find the best one. But how do you know you've chosen the best theme? Luckily, you don't have to keep changing your theme over and over or simply hope for the best. You can use Shogun's A/B testing app to test your Shopify theme so that you're confident you picked the right one. Theme tests are a great idea if you're implementing entire site redesigns, launching new sales funnels, making changes to your header or footer, or testing site navigation changes. And luckily, it doesn't have to be a huge undertaking or a big risk to test your theme. Shogun's intuitive app makes it easy to set up, and you can set up your first test in minutes. Let's walk you through how to do it. To run a theme test with Shogun A/B testing, you'll first need to select the Apps option in the left sidebar of the main Shopify control panel. Then, select Shogun A/B testing to open the app. The great thing about this app is that it allows you to do everything from within the Shopify admin. There's no need to hop over to another platform or learn new editing tools to create and manage your tests. Okay, now click on the Create Test button and select Theme Test. This will take you to the setup page for your new test. Your first option here is to customize the name of your test. The theme you're currently using will be displayed in the original box. Click on the Select Another Theme button in the variant box to choose which theme you want to test it against. This could be a variant of your current theme or an entirely different theme. The preview of the variant theme will load in a moment. Below, you can adjust how much traffic goes to the original theme and how much goes to the variant. You'll also need to choose a goal for your theme test. Your options include conversion, click-through, add to cart, form submission, which will require you to identify and then plug in the form ID, revenue per visitor, and average order value. Shogun also allows you to target your test to a specific group of visitors. There are a few pre-built options to choose from, and you can build your own custom audience as well. For custom audiences, there are several different types of conditions that you can set, including URL parameters, the type of device the visitor is using, and the visitor's location. Also, you can set multiple conditions for the same audience segment, and in that case, you'll be able to decide whether all conditions or only one condition must be met in order for a visitor to be included. Now that we have finished configuring the settings, let's hit the Review button. You'll get one last chance to change the name of your test here, so let's go ahead and clean this up a bit. Once you're done with that, you can then select Start Test. This will publish your variant for the audience you're targeting, if there is one, and the traffic split you set earlier for as long as the test is running. And while the test is running, you'll be able to see how both the original and the variant are performing in terms of the main goal that you set for your test. Shogun highlights how much of an improvement your variant made as well. Further down this report, you can also see how the original and the variant are performing across all the other metrics that Shogun A/B testing keeps track of. Whenever you're ready to declare a winner, just click on the End Test button in the top right corner of this page. Then hit End Test again in the pop-up that opens. If you want to stick with your original theme, that's all you need to do. But if you've decided that the variant won your test, you now need to publish it. Select the Online Store option in the left sidebar of the main Shopify control panel. This will take you to the theme options for your storefront. Scroll down to the theme library and locate the theme you just tested out. You may need to expand the listings here. Once you've found the right theme, click on the Publish button next to it. Then, you just need to hit Publish again to start sending 100% of your traffic to this theme. And there you have it. You never know what's working until you test it. Your Shopify theme is too important to go untested. So whether you just implemented a new theme or you've been using the same one for years, you can always learn something new with an A/B test. You can test pages, templates, and themes with Shogun's A/B testing app, and you can find it in the Shopify App Store. If you like this video, I would love it if you subscribe below for more e-commerce tips and tricks from Shogun.